Good morning. My name is 𝗟𝗲𝗃𝗂𝗰𝘁𝗂𝗃. I am from Endurance Technology Limited. I take care of cluster quality, that is the system part. Along with me, Mr. 𝗍𝗿𝗍𝗂, who is our manufacturing engineer, who takes care of manufacturing. First, I will talk about the Endurance Group. If you see, Endurance Group, it is a public listed company. It has basic two product verticals. One is proprietary, another is a casting. Basically, in proprietary parts, we make braking, suspension, and transmission parts. In casting, we have all the process like GDC, LPDC, HPDC. Regarding our plant location, if you see, we have around 38 countries. We are in 38 location. If you see, in India, we are having 24 manufacturing location, 3 in Germany and 9 in Italy. Recently, we started one unit in Tunisia also. Specifically, we are talking about one suspension plant. We will be presenting one case study of air suspension, a new technology in the two-wheeler suspension. Basically, it is a product which was developed for the KTM 690 vehicle. Air suspension normally used in the four-wheeler, but first time we jointly with KTM, we started this air suspension and we built up in-house line along with in-house manufacturing processes, assembly line and Pokayoke, where instead of using the external suppliers and sources, we are trying to make it in-house with the help of some of the electronic parts which are to be procured. So that case study will be presented by Mr. 𝗍𝗿𝗍𝗂. We are talking about a suspension plant which is established in 1985. It is in the E92 plant location in the 𝗟𝗲𝗃𝗃, 𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃 Sambhaji MIDC. Basically, here we manufacture 2 3-wheeler and 4-wheeler suspension, shock absorber and inverted front fork. It is a technological product. And we have a built-up area around 4650. If we talk about the endurance values, our first value is the customer centricity, because we believe if customer centricity is there, definitely we can have all the growth. Then we have a second value is integrity, which is a part of our value system. Transparency is very important part of our system. Then teamwork, because without teamwork we cannot achieve anything. Then the next is the innovation, because through innovation, we want to become a #1 supplier for the OEMs. If we see the customer base, most of all the two-wheelers in India and some of the KTM plants, KTM also we are the single source for the suspension. We have all the customers like Bajaj, Royal Enfield, Yamaha, Suzuki, all who are manufacturing, and some of the EVs like Ather, we have started the supplies. Here if you see about the two products, this is the inverted front fork. Normally front fork means the front suspension. But if you see the regular suspension, the design is different. Here the bottom case is on the off side, so it is called as inverted front fork. And the rear suspension, we manufacture here the rear suspension for the high cc vehicle. You can see the product range. We are manufacturing different range of different types of rear shock absorber like monoshock, hydraulics. There are around 8 to 10 varieties, and inverted USD front fork. That is our, basically we are the largest player in India in this inverted fork, and we are supplying to all the OEM. They have a big 2-3 types of design. One is a big piston, another is a cartridge type design. So these are the basic type. Now, basically, our motive of now it is related of a new product and manufacturing excellence. How it is when we start up thinking of this new product, we thought that we should put some manufacturing excellence idea through this, because it is an innovation, because it is the first time made. But using manufacturing excellence ideas, we want to develop this product and start. So already this product is started. We have supplied around 15,000 force to KTM. and with zero defect, and it is successfully running. So I request my colleague Mr. Devidas to take it forward.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Today, we are presentation regarding the manufacturing excellence through innovation. These are the case study for our new product air suspension. So, what is the challenge we face during the coming new technology suspension in our plant? These are the challenges like process challenge, manufacturing setup challenge, and lead time or implementation challenge. In process challenge, major two or three challenges is there. These are the critical quality parameters, data traceability. In manufacturing setup challenge, skilled manpower require, product geometry challenge, and third one is implementation challenge, that is the assembly station development. We are take over the challenges against the follow actions. Like we have the process challenge, we are implement the new technology development machines in manufacturing, new manufacturing techniques we are gain, real-time monitoring system or IoT system implementation. For manufacturing setup challenge, we have take over the challenge like gain the high accuracy technology in automations. Already Garud sir told the air suspension coming new technology product in our group. For the air suspension require the many processes is new for us. Some process or key requirements from the customer. So we have show the next slide how we face challenge and how we take over the challenge. For this, we have proper plan for execution this project, that understood the customer required, project timeline as per customer requirement, design and machine or picture designing, process-wise machine manufacturing, process validation, process parameter, sample lot submit to customer, customer audit and approval for mass production or start of mass production. These are the assembly line we develop in-house. Total 15 number of station, 9 station is new and 6 integrate with existing station. These are the station-wide challenges and we take the actions. One of the challenge we have the in CNC machine shop. Outer tube require closer tolerance, like we already supply 30 micron tolerance tube. For the new product, it's require 10 micron accuracy and repeatability. In CNC machine, manually checking and manually feeding technique is there. We have implement the contactless type OD checking gauge with interlock CNC machine. So no need to operator set the program manually. No checking error is there. Next one is 4 location grease dispenser or tube ID greasing. These are the also challenge for us to dispense the grease on 4 location for air piston. So we have improvement this type of new accurate dispense nozzle and 4-point indexing plate is there. Third one is cartridge tube ID greasing with accurate positioning. We have developed the in-house SPM for this. And last is air seal ring, that's called ear piston orientation correction assembly. This is the one more challenge for us because the air piston both sides look like same, but how we it may be possible to wrong orientation pressing or assembly. We have developed the in-house pressing station to check sheet 𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂. It's maybe prevent to fitment reverse side. Conclusion and benefits for first time field USD type front fork premium product in India, two-wheeler segment, meet customer vehicle build up time within 3 months, new design air fork model added in ETL family, meet customer product requirement with first time okay, ensure 100% product and process confidently by building the machine in-house, 𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂 implementation for error proofing to meet customer requirement, zero customer complaint, and product and process design and development in-house, all machine developed in-house, assembled in-house, save 4.25 crore developing from other side. We proudly share make in India, make in endurance product, not only product, it also the machines. So we are appreciation from our KTM customer for the product. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I'm not very clear. The requirement came from your customer or you wanted to implement this? It is not very clear.
I will tell you, sir. For KTM, we have a long association of 10 years. So they wanted to have air suspension design.
Okay.
So we as a endurance developed this design. Then KTM has given some input. They have given just idea, air suspension, we have to develop for two-wheeler. All design is done by endurance. And always it's KTM is jointly because the final approval is done by them.
So finally this product will be given to other customers also if required? No, it is only specifically for this customer.
We have to, if we want to develop for Indian companies, it will be different design.
Different.
We cannot use. But so, KTM and Bajaj is same, so we can use this for Bajaj.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Initially, you said that 15,000 numbers were to be achieved by investing this.
Yeah.
So, whether we have achieved that 15,000 numbers?
Yeah. It is dispatched to the KTM, vehicles are also made.
Achha, this, okay. Okay.
Thank you.